Welcome back to Overheat, Hyundai Motorhome 2026. External, modern Hyundai styling, with its distinctive cascading grille or sleek, closed panel design, as well as its slim, futuristic LED daytime running lights. The front fascia will highlight Hyundai's current design language. To increase fuel efficiency, aerodynamics will be considered when designing the body shape. Retractable side awnings will be installed to provide outdoor living areas. Large, twin windows in the RV will offer great insulation and sweeping vistas. A sliding door or hinged door with automated folding stairs will serve as the primary entry. Interior, Apple CarPlay and a large infotainment display with built-in navigation. The living space includes the driver and front passenger seats, which can be rotated 180 degrees. There are multiple sleeping arrangements, including a fixed double bed at the back. Kitchen energy-efficient 12 volts compressor refrigerator, stainless steel sink with fold-out faucet, and 2-burner gas stove. Dining table that slides or folds, cozy bench with storage underneath. Diesel, an effective 2.0 to 2.5 liters turbodiesel engine that provides powerful torque for long-distance driving. Gasoline, for some markets that could favor it, a larger gasoline engine alternative. Electric, the focus will be on a motorhome model that is all electric. It has a competitive range thanks to its high-capacity battery. A big lithium-ion battery is used to power the gadgets within the house. Rooftop solar panels are used to continuously charge the home's battery. The house battery can be charged using a DC-DC charger while the car is moving. Connectivity features include an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple USB charging connections, and perhaps an entertainment system for the backseat. Rooftop air conditioning, a built-in air conditioner that cools the interior of the building. Water and space heating, for our vehicles, an electric heating heat pump system or an integrated diesel heater are available for both water and space heating. Some functionalities can be controlled remotely with the use of smartphone apps.